Hey everybody, how's your day? I hope you are all doing well. This video will be about how to use constructor in Python. Let's see what a constructor is all about. A constructor is the ability to set some things, some attributes, or do some things when the class is getting created. In this case, we are going to be using the tender init. Okay, let's create a class called dog and therefore tender init of self. And self dog is animal is true. The constructor in Python is with the special method with tender init. Okay, so let's create the dog object. Dog is animal. And if you run this, we will get true. So self was used again with this. Not only init is a special method, but it is using self for its variables. So let's create Rufus equal to dog, Sparky equal to dog. When Rufus is an animal. Rufus dog is animal. When Sparky is an animal. Sparky dog is animal. And if we run it, we will get the true for both of Rufus and Sparky. So how is this different from the class attribute? These instance variables are only for the object and you can affect other objects. If we change the status of Rufus to false, will it affect Sparky as well? No, I don't think so. Only affect the Rufus. Because it's like in a house that's protected, not to harm against other. Okay? That's why the false status only affect the Rufus, not the Sparky. So let's talk about state. Once an instance of a class is created, or which creates an object, that object has state. Self is what allows these variables to refer to each other. But just like functions, you can set them from the beginning. So let's create about animal class A and I'm here. Def init and the init. And we should put in self name and last equal to 4 pucks P-A-R-K pucks equal to true. Here we just pass arguments, keywords, arguments to the class. So self dot name value name self dot last equal to last self dot box equal to box. And we should create another function called info, and we should set the self and print with the upstream. This is an animal with the name and has legs. If bus, plane, and this one bugs us. Plane, it doesn't bug at all. So let's say bunny equal to animal of pasta equal to box equal to false. And I need info. This will give us the name error. Okay. No, I mean this error. Name is not defined. Name error on the line number 8. Why? Because this name right here intended init, the constructor cannot be accessed directly, cannot be directly accessed. When we pass the name into the animal, it is stored in a self-store name. So if we want to print it out, we should use not just name, but instead just using self.name. Also right here self.nuts, and here self.bugs. So the error is gone. It's also possible to try to reach to this variable from outside of the class as well. Let's say print Benny.name, print Benny.lux, print Benny.bugs. We got Bester, for, and false. Yes, that's for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So see you next time. Bye bye.